broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track.
It really does.
Word of mouth, but usually word of mouth is in your neighborhood. It's in your little bubble that you live.
Right.
Now word of mouth has gone nationwide.
Yeah, yeah. And if you
your friends are everywhere.
If you would have brought this up 10 years ago, I would have laughed at you and said, "What the heck?" I mean, the concept wouldn't have made any sense at all. I mean, it really, even 5 years ago, it really would have been, you know, way out there that you're going to do all this, you know, tweeting and Foursquare and all this, you know, all these things that we do today that we kind of take for granted, but you have to do it. And we kind of feel like we're, you know, a little bit ahead of the curve a little bit, but there are times we feel like we are way behind. Like we can't evolve fast enough, which is really fascinating to me. It's changing like this. I mean, it's just rapid.
What worked yesterday is not going to work today. It's not going to work tomorrow.
No.
You have to be very open to change, especially when it comes to these platforms.
Yeah, gotta love it.
I didn't want to do it, honestly. I got talked into it, and it just skyrocketed so fast for me that my friends were like, "You're like the poster child." What the heck? I mean, right after I started, I came here and people knew me, and they're like, "Oh my God, you're that girl from Facebook," you know, and I'd be like, "What? Somebody knows me here," you know. So I mean, it can make a difference just like that sometimes.
I was going to ask, do you think small family wineries are doing a good job with Facebook and Twitter?
Honestly,
that's a no.
I will have to be honest and say no. They're afraid of it. They're afraid to put themselves out there. They're afraid to put the time into it. It's not that time consuming, but they're afraid of it.
You need to find somebody they trust. I mean, that was one thing I talked to a lot of people when I was up in Washington for the Bloggers Conference this year, and they said, you know, if they trust the person that's helping them out, then that's a big deal. Like, I mean, but like I said, I try to get to know people before I write about them.
Yeah.
And that's huge because then they've got that trust.
Sure.
I spent a whole year networking before I even started my blog.
Amazing.
I think what it is too is businesses, not just wineries, but they want immediate return. It took 5 years for you to get grapes from that vine. You're so patient with that, but you're not patient with social media. It's a relationship. You have to build it. It's not going to show up right away. So I think, and they're using old-fashioned ways of advertising methods on Facebook. Facebook's not there to sell wine. Oh, I'm going to give you a taste for something strong. Facebook's there to build relationships. So people do come to visit you, or they're at the store and they're looking at all these wines. They remember the relationship with you when they'll grab that bottle or they'll go visit your winery. So the way of doing it is different than your traditional way of advertising.
You just have to have somebody, and it might not necessarily be you or somebody, but needs to be there all the time doing it, though. It can't be like hit or miss. I mean, you can't start a Facebook page and then not follow up.
No.
And that happens a lot. I see that.
Yeah.
Guilty. The post of July. There are companies out there that you can pay to do that for you, and they do a very good job.
Yeah, and I have to agree with the content issue. You really got to keep up. What really makes ours work is my brother-in-law, Michael, who you guys have interacted with for quite some time. It's critical that he's in front of that. And we really realized it early on that we needed one person that had to be just throwing that content out there and interacting with these people. And that's what's made it work for us, without a doubt. It's been an integral part of what we did. It clearly was not in the business plan. Trust me, the word Facebook and Twitter didn't exist.
Well, if done Twitter right, you'll get guests coming to your